Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the FDIST function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function returns the right-tailed F probability distribution for two data sets. So for the purpose of this function we need three arguments and all the three arguments are required. So the first one is the X, so basically it's this one right here. It's the value at which to evaluate the function. Then we need the first degree of freedom, which will be the numerator degree of freedom. And finally, the degree of freedom number 2, which will be the denominator degree of freedom. So, how exactly are we going to run this function? So it's pretty simple. We are going to start with an equal sign. Once we have it, we can just write down FDIST, and we can open up our parentheses. And we will start with an X right here, so 12. Then we need to enter the degree of freedom number 1. So it's going to be 4. And finally, the degree of freedom number 2, which will be 3. Then we can close the parentheses. And just like that, we are going to have our F probability distribution for the arguments that are above. So this is how we use the FDIST function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, you can check out my courses on the link down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.